Good morning, y'all. What is today? Today's Sunday. We got Starbucks. We got Starbucks. I am watching. This is horrible lighting. I don't know why I did that. I'm watching YouTube right now. Selena wanted to go to this car meet that's happening in Tampa. Supposedly it's really big. It's at the Raymond James Stadium. So we're gonna do that. Just drinking my coffee a little, watching the video, and about to get ready. Just wanted to start off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you in a few minutes.
Clean Culture booth if you want more information about that show. Purchase merch. We have all kinds of great stuff over there, always decals. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a decal hoe, so I be constantly buying Clean Culture decals. Clean Culture decals are always amazing. Thank you, Louis. Coming out here, showing out as always. We'll see you guys. Wow.
We're here. I had to take off my headband because it was giving me a big ass headache.
This is probably one of our favorites.
We're here. It's not my forte, but it's Selena's forte. So
I see you under there. Is that
yeah.
What, red line
I'm just here supporting her, vlogging.
Am I correct?
Oh, you're vlogging? Yeah.
Amazing.
Just want to go up there? No, not yet.
I always like to shout her out. She was on Netflix Hyperdrive.
Guys, I just ordered what is it called? A tripod for my phone, so I can start like vlogging on my phone a little bit until I got a new camera because I don't want to keep using the same one. So you guys are gonna have iPhone quality for a little bit. It's just not my main priority right now, but yeah. Just want to let you guys know that. I got whatever this is, chemical guys. I got it so Selena can have extra. Here, hold this for me. Hey y'all, so I am in my office at work. I just did inventory, and I'm just waiting on a meeting at 12 o'clock. I'm talking pretty low because I work at a eyelash studio, so I'm not trying to disturb anyone's peace during their service. But I am, just waiting on a meeting at 12, and then I have to leave here at like 2 o'clock because Zorro, my dog, gets his first professional haircut. I'm so excited for his grooming appointment. But this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing jeans, a flannel, and a turtleneck. I did everything that I need to do. I'm waiting, like I said, I'm waiting for that meeting. So there's not much. I'm gonna go over like schedules right now. And then I also want to check on sales. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But happy Monday. You guys saw a little bit of my Sunday. Not much, but you guys saw a little. So we'll see you guys in a few. Hey y'all, so I actually just got back from dropping off my dog Zorro to his first professional grooming appointment. So I just dropped him off. I'm actually going back home to go get these 2 pants that my mom is going to alter for me, because I need to wear one this weekend. I'm doing like an all brown fit this weekend for a little get together with one of our friends that is coming back from LA. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm so excited to see what he's gonna look like. I hope it comes out really good. He freaking pooped in the freaking store, and I'm like, fudge. But they picked it up, even though I said that I was gonna pick it up. I think the owner was there, and that's the person that picked up his poop. But I feel so bad. I'm so excited for him, but and then what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, and then they were asking me if he's like aggressive or anything like that, and he's not, but he is really skittish, and they are a cage-free facility. So I'm just scared of how he's gonna react, because they had lots of dogs roaming around the store, as well as in the back where they do the grooming and everything. I just hope he's okay. Is this what it's like having a kid? I don't know. Okay. All right, let me go grab my pants so I can go to my mom's house. Alright, y'all, so we just got to the ramen place. We're meeting up with my best friend, Joanne. You guys should know who she is by now, but we're going to this place right here. But it's that place right there. Anyways, okay, we're gonna go get a table. Okay, so we got in. We're still waiting for Joanne, but we just had appetizers. I should have probably recorded, but it's fine. We just had chicken wings, which is all gone, and then we have dumplings. We have shrimp dumplings. They're actually so good. But I'm saving these 2 to see if Joanne would like to try it. I don't even know if she likes dumplings, but I'm saving that to see if she'll try it. But if not, I'm gonna eat them. And then we just ordered the ramen. I'm so freaking excited. I love spicy ramen, and their spicy ramen here is so good. So, yeah. Alright guys, actually I'll show you guys. That's what I got. I substituted no meat for cilantro and Brussels sprouts. Mine. Bean sprouts. Yeah, that's yours. I'm gonna tie my hair up.
The only thing, do you like these?
Yeah, those are bean sprouts.
I know, but I just don't like a lot. You want some?
No, because I have plenty.
I just don't like a lot. Are they good for you?
Yeah. So freaking good.
She's so light.
I should probably take off this white. Yeah.
You just mix it up?
I just eat it. I don't really mix it. I need to take this off.
I'm gonna try. You got regular, right? Or no, you just
I got spicy. You want to try mine? Let me try yours. I've never had the...
It's flavorful. Very flavorful. Just a broth?
Yeah. You want to try mine?
Yeah.
Alright.
Take mine first. Just
That's good, but I don't like the miso taste.
Why?
I just never liked miso like that.
Baby, you know,
it's too spicy.
You know, say that it was hot like that. Oh my god.
It's really spicy. It's good though.
Yo, that shit hit my throat. Wait, what do you like about the miso though?
The miso has like this fishy taste to it.
I was gonna say I smell seafood. I think it's the seaweed though. It doesn't taste fishy. Wait, it's like this and then this. This and then this.
Maybe you don't even have to be all technical. You can just scoop it from the bottom like this, and you have noodles.
I'm gonna try this I like mine. I'm gonna try this part here.
All you have to do is just put it underneath and you'll get it.
That's what you said.
Keep it close, like this.
I still suck at eating.
And then look.
Like this?
Huh?
Look.
Yeah.
Wait, Lori, how do you? I don't know if it's because your fingers are tiny, but
I think so, because I'm struggling. Like,
So you use
for
these,
real, the way she does it, I'm trying to do it like how you. Oh.
or you can just these two.
Is there anything else we can get you guys?
Thank you.
Vegetable.
spicy.
Did you get the eggs? He really was thinking about it.
Nah, because that's how they make the chicken nuggets.
Oh, I left
We're
this
in
for you.
cozy.
Alright guys, this is the best angle I can get and the straw's in the way, but we went to Batter and Dough for breakfast, but I ended up getting like this waffle pizza. It's so freaking good.
It's called Luigi pizza.
It's good.
It's
Oh,
perfect.
look,
It's
that's
the
sugar.
perfect, like,
Wow.
savory and sweet mixture.
I should have mentioned though, it is 11, so I can pass on eating this for breakfast.
Mm.
And then I got a caramel latte. That is also good. I think they use the Café Bustelo. Hey y'all, so I just got my Amazon package. Oh. I got my tripod. And I got the shirt. Let's open up the shirt. Regular old t-shirt. I just got it as like a loose long sleeve shirt. I was gonna wear it today, but it's a little bit hot outside, so I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. But Let's open up the tripod. So tired. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. I'll come back. I got it to work. I'm so freaking excited. So, I mean, I really honestly don't know what these pieces are for. Like I said, I'm really bad at all that, but I got it. So I'm able to film on my phone now. But like I said, the goal is to get a new camera, but I think filming on my iPhone is much easier, if I'm being honest. Like, for some reason, when I edit vlogs on iMovie and I download the footage onto iMovie, I have to wait for it to fully load because it's very choppy for some reason. If I don't let iMovie basically load the footage. But when I do it on my phone, I download it on there, it's smooth, I can edit it fast, easy. It takes me like less than an hour, but with this it takes me all day, or with the camera it takes me all day because I have to wait for the footage to load. So this is so much easier, and now I have a tripod and I can set up. But I'm gonna keep this. I'll keep the box just in case I need to return anything, but I'm not too worried. It comes with a thing which I just tested out. Let me grab. So I tested it out and it's working perfectly fine. And I'm gonna keep it in my purse at all times, just in case, you know, I want to take some pictures. The only thing is I have a pop socket, so anytime that I want to film, I'm gonna have to take this off, or I can get a new case. But it doesn't bother me. My phone's not going anywhere, hopefully. So yeah. So I'm gonna head to my mom's house. I might skate a little bit at my mom's house, see if my niece wants to go skating with me. Hopefully I have my skates in my car, or might be in Selena's car, but she just went with her dad to the shooting range, so not sure how that's gonna work. Oh, and we also are babysitting Shadowito. Where is he? Oh, he's a cat. Do you see him? Oh, what's going on, bud? I think he's a little skittish right now. He's always like that for the first day, and then when we babysit him, and then he's totally fine. So he just has to get used to the dogs again. My lips are really chapped and dry, but he'll get out of there soon. But yeah, we're gonna babysit him, or pet sit him, until Sunday. It was supposed to be one day, but I convinced them to let me keep him until Sunday. Let me grab some chapstick. My lips chapped. I need to start editing this video. I know it's getting pretty long, so I might end it today, the couple days in my life vlog. Alright, y'all, I'll see you when I go to my mom's house. Alright, y'all, so I'm at my mom's house. Let me put you guys down. I'm at my mom's house, and I'm gonna just skate around with my niece. I'm so excited, and I got my tripod.
I'm right here.
I know. You wanna say hi? Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
We gotta wait for mommy because I'm not that good. Or is this yours? Which one do you want to drive or ride?
My scooter.
Well, where is it?
Right here. It's all the way there.
All right, we're gonna wait for mommy.
Look for my scooter, right?
All right. Let's put on the skates.
I don't have skates. I know. I'm just kidding. I have skates. I have skates.
Go inside and tell mommy to hurry up. No?
They
haven't already.
Huh?
I said your YouTube's gonna learn your nickname if they haven't already.
Yeah. I need to.
Zelani mommy.
Also, they all got in the car.
I guess it's...
Mama, hold my
They're
bike.
in there. Wait, stay. I think they are coming out. Wait. What do you want?
Hold it.
Come. So with me?
Yeah.
Zoe, say hi
Nice helmet.
guys. Do a
Hi,
little
guys.
vlog.
Hi.
Friends.
You smell good.
Mom, what is that?
I told you to talk to Lori's friend, Titi Nooney's friends, Dad.
Hi.
Hi
right.
guys.
You wanna
Tell them
go
what you're
home?
doing today.
We skating.
Yeah.
With
Riding a
Noonie.
bike.
And Nooney's using her roller skates.
You want to put yours on?
See, those are kind of like... Not those like...
You want to try it, Mom?
No.
I do, low key, but I don't feel good.
I would
so.
like to, but... I feel like I'm gonna bust
The
my ass.
neighbor's gone.
Okay, let's go.
Now.
The winner?
Yeah.
You're only the winner because I'm not that good at it.